Well, seeing as Japan is the land of crazy things and notoriously crazy food, I'm going to show you what I'm having for a almost lunch snack thing. So right now I'm drinking my coffee, and I have two choices of what to put it in besides milk. I can do sugar, comes in a little pouch, pretty exciting, or I can do gum syrup. It's a pretty interesting invention, really. There's different kinds. Some are more liquidy, and then I've also had ones that are hard, which is a really weird experience. This one is going to be in the middle, I think. Ooh. And then my personal favorite is this beauty. Take a good look at it. This is strawberry with condensed milk melon palm. And I'm telling this seems wrong, but it's decadent. And I'm afraid to eat it. But it looks so good. But I don't want to eat it because it looks so pretty. Very conflicting feeling.